Audio recording. T3 Lesson 6. Listen to a lecture about laughter again, then record yourself in one video. In my opinion, the question is, do you think it's a good idea to use animals for research? Explain. Do you think some people laugh more than others? If so, what do you think is the reason? The reason is for this. Is it always a good thing to laugh? Are there times when it is not good to laugh? Explain. Okay, in my opinion, it's not a good idea to use animals for research. And I think some people laugh more than others because their life is funnier than the other. And I think it is not always a good thing to laugh, but I live by the motto, laughter is the best medicine. But there are sometimes it's not good to laugh. It is when our family have funerals or decreased relatives, or when they have a sad story they want to share us. Don't laugh. It's when you laugh, it's called ungainly, and they don't want to talk to us anymore. So don't laugh when they are sad and they have a sad story they want to share. This video ends here. Bye bye.